This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access to the Google account that owns your YouTube channel. This is essential because the phone number links to account recovery and verification. Once signed in, open YouTube and navigate to Settings, not the video editor, but Account or Channel. Make sure your new number is with you for a verification code. If you have two-factor authentication, expect an extra step. Now go to the Phone or Contact section so we can change the number immediately. Next, you change the phone in your Google profile because YouTube pulls contact info from there. Go to Manage your Google account, select Personal Info, then Phone. Choose Edit, input the new number exactly, include country code if prompted, and request a verification code. Once the code arrives, enter it promptly. Some carriers delay SMS, so choose Call if needed. This ensures YouTube recognizes the number across services and keeps recovery and notifications consistent. Finally, confirm the change by returning to YouTube settings and checking the Contact or Account section. The new number should appear. If it does not, clear browser cache or try a private window, then re-verify. Sometimes cookies or extensions block the process. If you still get errors, use a different network or device and check for security alerts in Google account that may block updates. Key troubleshooting tip: if SMS never arrives, request an automated call and verify carrier restrictions or temporary blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.